Welcome to our channel. Distance control separates good putters from great ones. These techniques help you consistently lag putts close and avoid three putts. Step 1. Develop feel for different distances by practicing putts from various lengths. Hit groups of balls from 10, 20, 30, and 40 feet, focusing on speed rather than making the putt. Step 2. Learn to read green speed accurately. Take practice strokes beside your ball, feeling the length of stroke needed to reach the hole. Let your instincts guide your distance rather than mechanical thoughts. Step 3. Focus on your backstroke length to control distance. A longer backstroke generates more power. Match your backstroke length to the distance needed rather than manipulating speed. Step 4. Maintain consistent tempo regardless of putt length. Your stroke rhythm should remain constant whether hitting 10 or 40 feet. Length changes, not speed. Step 5. Practice the gate drill for distance control. Place tees creating a 3-foot gate around the hole from long distances. Your goal is rolling putts through the gate, not making them. Step 6. Read break and speed together. The faster you hit a putt, the less it breaks. Find the optimal speed that reaches the hole while taking the proper line. Step 7. Visualize the ball rolling at the perfect speed. See it dying into the hole or stopping just past. This mental rehearsal programs your body for proper distance. Step 8. Keep statistics tracking your lag putting performance to measure improvement objectively. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel.